Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to attach a file in AWeber quickly and easily. If your file is under 1 megabyte, you can attach it directly to your message. Start by editing your message in the AWeber editor. On the right side, go to Message Settings, then click Browse Files or Add. Select the file you want to attach from your computer, upload it, and add it to your message. Once it's uploaded, save your message and you're ready to send. If your file is over 1 megabyte, AWeber won't let you attach it directly. Instead, upload the file to a hosting service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or your website. Once uploaded, get the public sharing link. Back in AWeber, highlight the text where you want the link to appear, click the link icon, and paste the URL. Save your changes and preview the message to make sure the link works correctly. And that's it. Now you can easily share files with your subscribers, whether they're small attachments or larger resources hosted online.